What's up, family? It's Misty and welcome back to Gardening with Green. Today I'm going to show you guys my purple tomatillo plant. These two plants I originally grew in the ground from seed back in May, but they weren't doing too well, so I transferred them into the pot to try to revive them and see if I can save them, and I was able to do so. So they have struggled a little bit for like a month or so after the transplant, but now they're in the flowering stage and they are producing fruit. The first stage of the tomatillo plant is the green, of course, and then they flower and they produce these yellow flowers right here. And they're wind pollinated just like the tomato plant, but you can also come out here and just give it a little vibration or vibrate the little stem that's inside the little flower, and they will develop this little small pod right here, and then the pod eventually, grows into the next size, and eventually fruit will start growing in the inside of it. Here is one right here that has already started to grow. It starts out green at first, but I have another one over here that turned green like about a week and a half ago, and now it is starting to turn purple. The pod itself is starting to turn brown, and as you see, the purple flesh is coming through. I have never grown tomatillo plants before, and I've never tasted tomatillos before, but I love tomatoes, and I hear it's a part of the tomato family, and it makes great salsa. So I am looking forward to harvesting these purple tomatillos and seeing how they taste. In the next couple of weeks, I'm thinking that I'm going to be harvesting quite a few because I have quite a few pods growing, and I'm coming out here making sure I give it a little love. I gave it some fish fertilizer this morning along with the rest of my little container plants, so I know it's going to enjoy that fertilizer and it's going to grow very well for me. If you like my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit me with a comment, and let me know if you like my content. Thank you very much and have a good day.